Most auto shop owners think growth means ads, coupons, and discounts, but the fastest growing shops in 2026 are doing the opposite. They're using AI. AI helps you convert the customers you already have. It follows up automatically after estimates, reminding customers to book. It sends service reminders at the perfect time. It reactivates old customers who haven't been back in months. Instead of paying for ads, AI improves your Google visibility. It requests reviews automatically and responds to them professionally. More reviews mean higher rankings, and higher rankings mean free traffic. AI also reduces friction. Customers can book online, text questions, and get instant replies. No waiting, no frustration. That convenience alone beats discounts every time. Here's the key. Ads bring attention, but AI builds trust and consistency. When customers feel taken care of, they choose you, even if you're not the cheapest. In 2026, the smartest auto shops aren't shouting louder, they're working smarter. AI becomes the invisible employee that never gets tired, never forgets, and never misses an opportunity. That's how shops grow without burning money on ads.